Experience the epitome of coastal living at this secluded shore sanctuary. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath reverse floor plan offers a tranquil atmosphere and a stunning ocean, sound, and marsh view. Located on a spacious private home site where a pool could be added with easy beach access and a perfect blend of modern design and serenity. This captivating residence has an efficient concept with every space utilized. The first floor offers 3 bedrooms with luxury vinyl flooring, a shared full bath with updated vanity. Also on this level is a covered deck featuring stunning ocean views, perfect for relaxation and enjoyment. The top level reveals the primary bedroom, a modern chef's kitchen, and a spacious great room with soaring ceilings and glistening hardwood floors. Step onto the screened-in porch to relish the coastal breeze and breathtaking views of Body Island Lighthouse. Don't miss your opportunity to secure your dream coastal retreat in this serene location. Thank you for joining. If you would like a private tour, please give us a call. And for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Have a great day.